Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still Mohammed Choko Blago, and I'm glad to welcome you to this awesome day. And it's a very exciting day for the cryptocurrency world because Bitcoin has currently reached its all-time high since December 2017. Okay, if you guys remember what happened in November, December of 2017, the price of Bitcoin got up to as high as $20,000 per coin before crashing down to as low as 3,000. And now, after 3 years, the price is now back up to $18,000. Wow. Okay. And as you can see from this chart, this 24 hours chart, the price has been moving steadily up from 16,500 to as high as 17,000, 17,500, now 18,000, and it's struggling to stay at 18,000. Now, the question is, will Bitcoin repeat November of 2017, November, December of 2017? That is, will Bitcoin hit or go above $20,000? Well, if you ask my opinion, I think it will, because I think investors are moving their funds into Bitcoin because of the uncertainty behind the US election. Okay? Every time there's a US election and there is uncertainty, the whole world feels it because almost everybody is one way or the other invested or affected by what's happening in the United States. Let's take what happened in 2008 during the real estate bubble that happened in the US. When it happened, the whole world felt it. Banks in Nigeria lost their investment because every investment or investor in the US started pulling out their funds because it's better to have cash at hand when dealing with a crisis. Okay. So I'm not surprised that the US election is currently affecting this because there's a lot of uncertainty. Okay, the US dollar is taking a beating. Other currencies, Asia currencies are, doing better than the US dollar at the moment. So a lot of investors are moving into Bitcoin. Coupled with the fact that PayPal now allows US citizens to be able to buy cryptocurrency on their platform. I wish I have a US PayPal account. I can do a video about it, but I believe with time it will reach us here in Nigeria. Okay, though PayPal has not been friendly to us, but hey, but whatever it is, I'll try to my very best to get you guys a video on how to use PayPal to buy cryptocurrency. But that aside, okay, so coupled with the US election and PayPal, you also have fear of missing out, which is FOMO. People are rushing now to buy Bitcoin and are buying Bitcoin in ridiculous amounts, enough to push the price up. Given the fact that it's becoming hard to mine Bitcoin right now, and the reward per block has reduced. Okay, so should you buy Bitcoin now? Okay, should you buy Bitcoin now? Well, my answer is no. Okay, I'm one of those guys who believe in waiting years for an opportunity to buy an asset. Okay, it's best to buy Bitcoin at 8,000 than to buy Bitcoin at 18,000, because when the election is sorted out, okay, by the time we get to January of 2021, and everything is sorted out with the Supreme Court, okay, guess what will happen? Investors will move their funds from Bitcoin into other investment like stock, bonds, and whatever you have investment option that is available in the US. Okay, so but till then, make sure if you have your profit, cash out, my brother. Okay, if you have your profit, cash out, because when it crashes, trust me, it will crumble like it always does. But the most important thing is Bitcoin has proven itself as an alternative or a safe haven for investors. It cannot be manipulated, it cannot be influenced by government. Okay, it cannot be influenced by government. So whenever an opportunity comes this way, whether it's by market crash, make sure you go and acquire a lot of Bitcoin. Okay, I know of people who bought Bitcoin at 8,000 and sold at 11,000. That's $3,000 extra profit. Okay, so imagine people who now bought Bitcoin at 8,000 and kept it and is now at 18,000. That's a $10,000 profit. But like always, it always pays to have at least one Bitcoin and above, or 0.5 Bitcoin, depending on how much you can afford. Okay? Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just want to share my opinion and thoughts on this. Also, Ethereum is not doing bad. Ethereum is not doing bad at all. So if you would like to participate in Ethereum, I would advise you even buy more of Ethereum right now compared to buying Bitcoin. Because Ether 2.0 has launched. People are currently staking on Ether 2.0 and earning Ethereum as a reward. Okay, so which means that there's a lot of prospect with Ethereum. Though it might not grow as fast as Bitcoin because Bitcoin has more awareness, but Ethereum, when in the long run, will surely surpass Bitcoin because of so many use cases that it has. Okay, but that's my opinion. You can also do your research and find out and make your informative decision on whether to go ahead and buy Bitcoin or whether to go ahead and buy Ethereum or whether to hold now. Now, another thing again is I'm going to do a video on how to hedge. Okay, like times like this where you have so much profit that you've earned and you're looking for a way to still be within the cryptocurrency space without living entirely or selling your Bitcoin completely for US dollar or Naira, okay, but you want a way that you can be able to hedge your fund so that when the price of Bitcoin falls down again, you can be able to buy more Bitcoin. Well, subscribe to my channel. I have a video coming up very soon, and turn on the notification bell, okay, so that you know when I release the video. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now.